Welcome to English Mirror. Here is a next bunch of questions based on teaching aptitude. Let's begin. Which of the following is or are the basic paradigms in classroom teaching? Answer is option C, both A and B. That means learning paradigm and instructional paradigm. The prime requirement to become a good teacher is to have. Answer is option C, subject knowledge. Which of the following statement is or are not true? Answer is option D, all of the above. The most desirable skill of teacher is to. Answer is option A, make the students understand what the teacher says. Which of the following is the sequence of different levels of teaching? Answer is option A, memory level, understanding level, reflective level. Which of the following is an independent variable in teaching learning process? Answer is option A, teacher. Which of the following method should be used by each teacher? Answer is analytical, synthetic. That means option A. Which of the following reflects the nature of teaching? Answer is option C. It is an art as well as science. Which of the following orders are the three levels of teaching? Answer is option A. That means 1, 2, and 3. Nowadays, teaching is becoming more and more. Answer is option A. Learner centered. When the learner is self-directed, it is termed as. Answer is option B. Andragogical learning. Instructional objectives are written for the student and they state what the student is expected to do. These objectives should be. Answer is option D, all of the above. That means specific, observable, measurable. In context of dynamic teaching environment, which of the following statement is true? Answer is option B. Teacher is an independent variable and student is a dependent variable. At which of the following teaching levels classroom environment is required to be sufficiently open and independent? Answer is option C, reflective level. What is meant by the term curriculum? Answer is option B, organized whole of learning and other experiences provided by educational institutions to realize set goals. The classification of cognitive domain was presented by. Answer is option A, Benjamin S. Bloom. To make use of previously learned material in new situation is. Answer is option B, application. The highest level of cognitive domain is. Answer is option D, evaluation. Attitudes, values, and interests are reflected by. Answer is option B, affective domain. Which domain is concerned with physical and motor skills? Answer is option C, psychomotor domain. Which of the following can be cited as an example of cognitive domain? Answer is option A, describe a specific topic. Which of the following can be taken as an example of psychomotor domain in the context of teaching? Answer is option B, performing an experiment. Which of the following statements is false? Answer is option A. Teaching and instruction are the same concepts. Teaching is based upon the mastery of. Answer is option D. All of the above. That means knowledge of concepts, teaching skills, decision making skills. Who has the least chance of becoming an effective teacher? Answer is option C. One who has no interest in teaching. Which of the following is or are the teaching maxims? Answer is option D. All of the above. From psychological to logical, from analysis to synthesis, from concrete to abstract, follow nature. Analysis means. Answer is option A. Ability to break a problem into its constituent parts. The rules of presenting the contents to make them easy are called. Answer is option B. Maxims of teaching. With smaller classes, teachers are much more able to. Answer is option D. All of the above. That means identify learning problems, provide individual attention, adapt instruction to individual differences among students. The single most important factor in the beginning of the teaching career is. Answer is option C. One's personality and ability to relate to class and students. Effective teaching, by and large, is a function of. Answer is option C. Teachers making students learn and understand. Who said this? Education is man-making. It is that by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, intellect is expanded, and by which man can stand on his own feet. Answer is option A. Swami Vivekananda. Prior to teaching, the teacher does. Answer is option D. All of the above. That means identification of objectives, preparation of teaching lesson plan, know the interest of students. Effective teaching includes. Answer is option C. Teacher is active and students are active. The most expected immediate outcome of teaching is. Option A is the answer. Changes in the behavior of students in desirable direction. Basic requirement of teaching efficiency is. Answer is option D. All of the above. That means mastery on teaching skills, mastery over use of different techniques of teaching, mastery over appropriate use of media and technology in teaching. Which of the following statements is not correct? Answer is option A. A good communicator cannot be a good teacher. A teacher is successful only if he. Answer is option A. Knows his subject thorough well. If a teacher wants to enhance his income, he should. Answer is option D. Write books. As a principal, you will encourage your teacher colleagues to. Answer is option D. All of the above. Participate in seminars and conferences in India and abroad. Participate in refresher courses for enhancement of subject knowledge. Doing community services for the upliftment of downtrodden. Which of the following activities can help a teacher inculcate social and moral values among the students? Answer is option C. Involving students actively in co-curricular activities. A teacher will become an effective communicator if. Answer is option B. He helps students get meaning out of what he teaches. Teaching in higher education implies. Answer is option D. Helping students to learn. Teaching will be effective if the teacher. Answer is Option C. Starts from what students know already. A college teacher will really help the students when she, answer is option B, is objective in her evaluation. Which is the most desirable outcome of teaching in higher education? Answer is option B, increase in the level of independent thinking of students. Books can be a powerful source of communication, provided, answer is option B, the content is illustrative. Good teaching is best reflected by, answer is option C, meaningful questions asked by students. The main aim of classroom teaching is, answer is option B, to develop inquiring mind. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe.